I seriously need this. Do they have generic? They do. Get the generic. What if that doesn't work? It'll work fine. It's the same thing. You'll be fine. Just get it. Okay. Is that dandruff in your hair? I don't know. Okay, thankfully they have dandruff shampoo. Oh, sweet. They have the generic brand. These are cheaper. Ew, those are so gross. Those are not the same thing. No, they're cheaper. You have to get these. I want these ones. Okay, then you're not gonna get anything. Whatever. Cheez-Its. Mom, you have to let me get the Cheez-Its, please. Let me check. They have the generic brand, okay? This is literally the same thing. We could get this. Are you kidding me? Look, $178. That's like $5. No, this one. Mom, that's literally not the